There are three concepts that are very important for me. Everybody is free to have their own meanings for those concepts, but I would like to share with you the ones I have. Those concepts are leadership, the other one is inspiration, and the other one is motivation. Let's start with motivation. Motivation for me is very similar than the example of the donkey and the carrot. That as soon as you remove the carrot, the donkey stops moving. Inspiration is a bit different. Is the presence or the example of someone inspire you to change or to do something different. So inspiration comes from within, from you, from inside of you. So you decide what you want to do, right? And that's why I like that concept so much. For me, the concept of motivation sounds like manipulation. How do I do for my workers to work harder, right? But inspiration is, how can I be a good example for my employees to work better? It's very different. But then the other word is leadership. And leadership is not the same than management. It would be ideal to have managers that are leaders at the same time. But for me, leadership is a phenomenon that emerges when the right conditions are set. So that means that anyone can be a leader, but it only depends on the circumstances, right? So a leader inspires. And that is, to me, essential when you're starting up a business, when you are analyzing why your business failed, when you want to make decisions for the next step in your organization. Recognizing leadership in everybody, identifying the sources of inspiration and good example, right? And also understanding which kind of motivation is important in the company to keep the fluids flowing.